November 16, 1532, Spanish Conquistador Francisco Pizarro invites Atahualpa to a feast in Cajamarca to honor him for becoming the new Incan Emperor. Atahualpa defeated his half-brother's army, bringing an end to the Incan Civil War. Unafraid of Pizarro's mere 160 Spanish soldiers, Atahualpa and some 10,000 men agreed to meet the Spaniards. In the town center, when Friar Vincente de Valverde raises the Bible and suggests that Atahualpa convert, he slaps the Bible from the friar's hand. Pizarro unveils his trap and signals his men to ambush the Incas. The Spaniards open fire, slaughtering thousands of fleeing Incas without losing a single soldier. Pizarro himself was the only conquistador to be injured with a cut on his hand. The Spanish hold Atahualpa for ransom as they continue to conquer the Incan Empire. When Atahualpa is accused of inciting a rebellion, the Incan Emperor is executed.